watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
Like so many of the finer things in life, it was nice while it lasted. A very warm overnight into the morning. We were at 55 degrees this morning. For the drive to work, now we've fallen back to around 40. So December weather is definitely back, and it's going to be sticking around for a while. Now, very windy out there right now. Strong winds, 30, 40, 45 miles per hour. Overnight tonight, those winds taper off, and we're looking at a fairly tranquil Friday, and then some light snow coming up here on Saturday. So over the next 72 hours, I have a chance of light snow tonight and also coming up on Saturday, but both events pretty minor. In fact, the forecast tonight, this is Kalamazoo. We'll get down to 27, minor accumulations, windy. Look at these winds, west 25 to 35. Very breezy. Grand Rapids, some light snow here as well. Temperatures falling into the mid-20s as the winds continue to be very, very strong here, at least early evening. Once we get past midnight, those winds will start to taper off. So here's what I'm thinking in terms of snowfall totals for tonight, and this should be on the high end. Keep in mind, it's been very warm, so the ground is warm, it's wet. It's hard for snow to really accumulate on that kind of surface, but we could see some areas picking up less than 1 inch of snow overnight tonight. Perhaps, just perhaps, enough to get out the shovel, but we might like luck out here too. Light rain starting to exit West Michigan right now, and we've got some snow on the other side of the lake, stretching from about Door County down toward Sheboygan. This is continuing to track eastward. It's moving at about 30 miles an hour, so that puts it across the lake to Ludington and Big Sauble Point in about an hour and a half, and just north of Muskegon here towards Silver Lake State Park in about an hour and 45 minutes. But the bigger threat comes from lake effect snow, which could bring us, like I said, less than an inch of snow, and that's for a wider area of West Michigan. Winds are really strong, so those light lake effect snow showers could actually push well inland tonight. Temperatures now 37 GR, Battle Creek and Kalamazoo. Cooler weather yet to filter in because we have these strong westerly winds, and there's a wind advisory out of the lakeshore because we have wind gusts as high as 41 miles an hour in Holland, 39 here in Muskegon, and those winds are going to continue to be a factor at least for this evening. Again, overnight those winds are going to start to taper off. Light lake effect snow coming through tonight, and accumulation should be pretty light. I showed you that snowfall map. I'm thinking less than an inch, and a lot of that is going to have trouble sticking to the ground. Once we get into tomorrow, the winds subside, and we've got some sunshine coming out, but temperatures still cool because that big blob of cold air that's been building to the west of us for several days is here, and it's going to stick around through the weekend. Here's what I'm forecasting. Tomorrow, 35 with some sunshine, pokes through the cloud cover. 60% chance of light snow here on Saturday. Again, perhaps just enough to get out the shovels. High of 32. A little warmer with more sunshine on Sunday. And then an interesting setup next week. 2 computer models that track this system in different places, one for the Ohio Valley, one for us. So we'll have to see if we get some rain snow mixed here middle of next week.
Okay.
All right. See.
Thanks, Kyle.
Thank you.